Hey everyone, today we conducted our very first teachers training program of the year, Museums as Classrooms Exploring the Networks of the Past. And today we looked at the museum. We learned through the museum and its collections. And today's teacher training focused on the objects itself as evidence. We saw beyond the object, and we also looked into the textbook, what it has, what it doesn't have, and we built those connections is what we did to our workshop today. The objectives were to align the NEP, the National Education Policy, the NCF, taking all of our different pedagogical approaches together, and we brought so much where you could use not only at the museum but also at the schools as well, that you can do with children.
We are from Delhi Public Schools, Surat, and this is the SS department. So we have come all the way from Surat just for this purpose, to visit the museum and to be part of this workshop. Because we do similar thing in our school, we wanted to explore more and learn more about it, and this gave us a very good opportunity to revise our concepts and bring something new to our classrooms.
And also the specialized exhibition on networks of the past has really helped us, because it's something that is part of our curriculum. To actually see it exhibited here in such a large scale has been very enriching for us to come all the way. It has made totally worth the travel and
teach how to make history more interesting, what are the basic things, like how we can make it interactive in a fun way, so that they learn also and they research about it also. Like different type of benefits are there, they interpret on their own, the observation skills develop, the critical thinking skills develop. So like it's a complete package.
Hi, so I'm Maya. I'm an academic advisor to schools, and this has been an amazing experience for me. I have a passion for history, but I never knew how to get it across to schools and the children I work with. And I think the techniques that were taught here, the strategies, they have been amazing. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Arya. I'm an assistant professor for archaeology from Ferguson College, Pune, and this has been a very immersive and very wonderful experience here, because not only do we get insights, but also something that we can immediately apply with the students. So it's been a wonderful experience for me. It's been a pleasure.
Hello, I am Vijay. I'm an artist plus art teacher in Sacred Art School. So I got to know about this on an Instagram page of CSMVS. What I found interesting about is like museum as a classroom, where the kids that we have in our school, how we inculcate them here, and how there are various ways of teaching through which they can learn about history. That was the interesting point of the workshop.
One key learning was that basically, I would say how to make these things alive. I mean, seeing beyond object is something that we also try to teach in the class, but sometimes you go out of options of how to keep it interactive. But there were some methods which actually made every object alive. So I think that was a very key learning for me personally.
One more was like ways of seeing objects. So how from the history the same thing we have today, but in another form, but the contents are like the information passed to us, and still we are dealing with the information today. So how it is in various ways. That was the learning from me.
I think, when we used to come for museum visits on the past, we would go from exhibit to exhibit, and I would go to what she says. This entire experience has made the whole thing alive. We also understand perspectives, because the facilitator told us that the dancing girl was labeled 100 years ago, and those perspectives may not exist today. So that's something you have to contemplate while teaching history.